how to create and add Photomoji in text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the text messages app. And here I'll go back to the text conversation list. Then open up a text conversation. Next, tap on the smiley face icon on the right hand side here, or you can tap on the add button. Next, at the top here, tap on Photomoji tab. And then tap on create. Next, use your camera to capture a picture like so. And then here we tap on the send button. And that's it. So you can see that's how you can create a Photomoji. And that's it. Tap on the back key to return back to your text conversation. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.